StepUp learning, one step at a time. Today we are going to build a table of 4. Not remember it, build it. Here is one group of 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say it? 4 times 1 is 4. Now here comes another group of 4. 4 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you say it? 4 times 2 is 8. Here comes a third group of 4. We had 8. What comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you say it? 4 times 3 is 12. Look at our answers so far. 4, 8, 12. What are we adding each time? We are adding 4 every time. That is our ladder. Now we can jump instead of counting. Watch the ladder. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 groups of 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 20. 5 groups of 4. 4 times 5 is 20. If you know one answer, you can build the next one. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 and 4 more is 24. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 and 4 more is 28. 28 and 4 more is 32. 32 and 4 more is 36. 36 and 4 more is 40. Your turn. What is 4 times 3? 12. 3 groups of 4 is 12. And what is 4 times 7? 28. 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 more is 28. Here is the whole table of 4. Say it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Multiplication is just equal groups. Great job! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.